wake up early, the sun's still shy. Grab my scarf, the clouds drift by. Big balloons are dancing high in the air. Turkey floats and teddy bears.
It's Thanksgiving! It's Thanksgiving! It's Thanksgiving!
Colors spinning, dreams on display. Look up, they're on their way. Thanksgiving morning
What is all this chaos about? You woke me up. Oh my god, today
Marching bands
is
with
Thanksgiving!
trumpets loud.
Get ready.
Drummers thumping, what a crowd. Candy rains from a pirate
can you slow
ship.
down the kids right
Clowns
now?
on stilts that never slip. Oh,
I
the
need to go
sky
to
is
I need
full
to
of
go to
wonder. Balloons
This gum is so good. I'm gonna get out of this. Get ready. I'm so excited. La 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 la. Thanksgiving. La 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 la. Hi guys. Sorry about my wife. She's just so happy that it's Thanksgiving, and also happy Thanksgiving. So I'm just gonna go and wait for her to finish, and I'm just gonna wait here, and then I'm gonna go in the bathroom, I guess. La 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 la. It's Thanksgiving. It's Thanksgiving. It's Thanksgiving. La 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 la. La 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 la. Okay, what am I gonna wear? Not that. I want something cute. Okay, there you go. I'm gonna definitely need to wear a robe first. It's Thanksgiving. It's Thanksgiving. La 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 la. Now I'm gonna wake the kids up. Kids, wake up! It's Thanksgiving! Dad, emergency! Ah! Mom, what's going on? What's going on with you guys? You guys are so screaming. Mom, we thought it was emergency. Why are you screaming Thanksgiving? It's Thanksgiving, kids. You forgot. We know it's Thanksgiving, but you don't need to come to our room and shout out Thanksgiving so we can wake up. You can just be like, wake up, kids, it's Thanksgiving, instead of like screaming out loud. Well, I'm not that type of person, so get ready. And go put makeup first. Makeup, 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 makeup. Makeup. I don't know what's wrong with her. Oh, hey, what do we got here? Get out, get out. First we need some of this. Here, down. It's a holly jelly Thanksgiving. Mommy, that's not a Thanksgiving song. That is a Christmas song. Well, I can make a Thanksgiving song. It's a holly jelly thing. What? Oh my god, I'm so tired right now. What the heck does she want? I'm just gonna sit down. It's a hot. Oh my god, why is it putting out my room in? Now I'm gonna put some of my favorite one, the cleanest one, and my eyes. Oh, can never forget about this. And some makeup. First, I need to put some of this. Get up. Get over here. What happened? Okay, there you go. And now some of this. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. And, oh my god. Forgot about my lipstick. Come on, lipstick. Where are you, lipstick? Come on. And now, come on. Mwah. It's a holly jolly Thanksgiving. It's a holly jolly Thanksgiving. Okay, I don't want to be mean, but that's actually not a Thanksgiving song. It's a Christmas song, so please stop singing it. Well, you can't stop me from singing, so get out of here. Okay, I don't want to start reviewing it now. And I gotta wear my clothes now. The kids better be ready right now because I told them to get ready at like 4 in the morning. So yeah. Okay, I'm gonna wear this, my favorite one. I don't look at the native people, which were the first people in the world in America. No. Blah, blah, blah. I'm gonna get ready. I'm here. Oh, you look amazing. Oh, thanks. Go get ready now. Finally. What the heck is going on? I told you guys to get ready at literally 4 or 5. Oops. But Dad is now in the bathroom. What do I do? Yeah, Mom, don't wake us up that early. You can wake us up like at 7 or 6. 6, 7. Can you just stop saying that? It's so annoying. For the first time, you said that 6, 7 is annoying. Why did I say 6, 7 is annoying? You were literally in love with 6, 7. Remember with that bet that you said if you say 6, 7, then you have to give me $100? No. Yes. Now pay up. Oh, I hate this day. Just bring your phone or whatever in my PC. Okay, where is it? Cash up. Oh, we can buy it now. Yes. Oh, it's sent to me. Yes, I can buy makeup now. Kids, stop this argument and get ready, please. Oh, yes, sir. Good. I'm just gonna go. You know what? I already showered last night. I don't need to shower again. Same with us. I'm ready. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna put this up now. I finished, so now I'm just gonna take this out and get ready, I guess. This is my thing I was gonna wear, and I'm gonna wear it now. Okay, let's go. I'm so excited. Okay, what are you eating? I was just eating some chips. Okay, let's go. Is it expired? It was from last night. What? Come on, guys, it's still yummy. Okay, let's go. Hey. Go. Also, guys, I just wanted to say Happy Thanksgiving. Okay, let's go. Waking up the kids. Come on. Let's go wake up the kids. Kids, wake up. It's Thanksgiving. Wake up, kids. Thanksgiving. It's Thanksgiving. You better wake up before it's too late. Mommy, I don't want to wake up. I don't want to wake up. Mommy, please, I want to sleep. Kids, you guys are going to be late. Wake up. Since you guys showered last night, you don't have to shower today. Yes. I'm going to wear my favorite dress for the day. Same with me. No, not that. It's not a dress, by the way. Look, I'm ready. Okay, you guys are all yellowish today. I'm goldish. Oh, okay, never mind. And also brush your teeth, guys. Okay. Two. What? And Come on, why is it not working? Mommy, I think we ran out of tissues. It's okay. Okay, let's go. Okay, kids, I'm so excited. It's Thanksgiving. You guys go play around. And also, let me give you guys some treat that you guys can eat. So since I'm making some other food, I'm gonna just give them some sandwich wraps. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2. Good. Okay, here you go, guys. Thanks, Mommy. Mommy, can I have one? Okay, Isabella, here you go. Oops, I mean, Leah. Why did you call me Isabella, by the way? Oh, because, you know, my name is Isabella and all the people... What? Mom, your name is not Isabella. Your name is Rose. Oh, yeah. Okay. I'm sorry. I just love the name Isabella for some reason. Then why didn't you name me Isabella? Because I thought it was a different... Leah will be a nice name. Okay, that's okay. Anyways, let's get ready. I'm so excited to eat this. Nom nom. Don't chew like that. Oh, okay. Let's copy him, bro. Yeah, so she can be annoyed. Can you stop chewing like that? Yeah. Still chewing loudly. Seriously, stop it. I don't like it. Yeah, it's annoying. Okay, anyways, go ready, kids. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna get the chicken so we can make it. Okay, I'm gonna get the chicken now since it's night. Can we go to the top floor? Yeah, sure. Yes. Okay, yes, we're gonna surprise you guys. Yep, it's a really thing that we did. So my dad made it, so it's gonna be really sick. I'm so excited. Same with me. Okay, let's go and get the chicken first. Great, now let's go and make it. I guess too. Happy Thanksgiving again. Okay, let's go. The chicken is right now so cold, bro. You guys don't come yet. So here is a surprise. Let me put, what? Where is the chicken? Okay, it's probably back here. Gonna get it again. I'm sorry. I don't know how I lost it. There we go. I got the chicken now. What? Okay, I think I'm just gonna make this a little birder. There you go. There you go. Finally. Cook. Can we now come in? Yes. And let me just fix you guys for a second. There you go. You guys can get out. Yes, I can make marshmallow. Hey, that's mine now. Fine, I'm gonna just sit down, I guess. I'm just gonna get this. Yeah, same with me. I'm gonna sit in mine. Yeah, where's mine? Okay, we need one more chair then. Ugh, this chair is so hard to move. That is just so easy. Okay. Did you feed the baby yet? Yeah, I think I did. You think you did? Yeah, I did. Okay, let's eat this first. This is so good. Oh, there's 2 more for you guys. We actually had some. Oh, I think I accidentally ate the siblings. It's okay, they're just eating junk food. Okay, guys. I'm bringing the food. Oops, stop. It's done. Okay, here you go for you, here you go for you, here you go for me, and here you go for you. And the kids. For you two and for you guys. Yay! Here's your chicken, here's your, turkey, sorry. Here's your turkey, and here is your turkey, and here is your turkey, and here's, oh, stop it. Okay, here, and here's my turkey. Guys, let's eat up, eat it up. Okay. Oh my god! I'm just gonna get out of the seat first because I'm not gonna fit there by eating. Oh my move. Okay. My turn. Okay, guys. Okay, ew. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed today and have a great Thanksgiving. And this was a Thanksgiving roleplay. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Have a great day and have a great Thanksgiving. Bye.
Like and subscribe. Oh, Tolo Trio Kids.